Jingle bell.
Church is canceled, but Jesus is never canceled. That's a retweet. So me and Allie are going to Dunkin' to get ourselves some breakfast because it is snowy. Yay! Yes! I love snow. In the way, snow is glistening. Na, 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 na. We're a beautiful sight. We're happy. Guys, it's barely even cold out, but we're making that long stretch to the promised land. Dunkin'. We out here. Racing the winter storm. Help! SOS! This was a bad idea. So we're literally walking to Docks. If you know where that is, that's at East Campus, which is not close to where we are, but yeah, but the Rot apparently doesn't have those goods, you know? And we're hungry because all me and Allie have had to get today is a bagel. Rachel, what have you had today to eat? Popcorn.
Guess what I mean? Popcorn!
So, went to Docks, got food, it was cold. How was your dinner?
I had ramen.
Want to show your dinner?
Really nutritious. Thanks, Jerry.
About to get lit up in here.
Ew. Oh my gosh. Good?
Blessings on blessings. Blessings on blessings. Shout out to Ryan, Mark, and Andrew for bringing us food. You can check her out on SoundCloud.
Your songwriter, Rachel's.
Just casual walk back to the dorm. Just ice skating back. Like Allie, ice skating back.
Ice skating back.
Oh, and a spotting. Sammy Coffee. Morning, and I am going to my flight. So yeah, peacing out to my room for a month. All right, well, let's go.
Jingle bells swing and jingle bells ring. Snowing and blowing a bushel of fun. Now the jingle hop has begun. Jingle bell, jingle bell, jingle bell rock. Jingle bells time and jingle bell time. Dancing and prancing in Jingle Bell Square.
Home. Bye.